Hey, hi everyone. This is Russell Foras, your tax and accounting strategist, with this 15-minute live video about the PPP 2.0 again. So basically, I'm coming today to answer a few questions that I have been receiving since the end of the year about this new round of PPP. Okay, so without further ado, we're going to go through a couple of those questions. And if I see more questions on the chat or even on the comment, I don't know when you're going to see this video. You still have other questions, just drop the question on the description, on the comment of this video. Whether it's within the group, the Facebook group that we have created, especially for the PPP and ERDL application. Okay, so at the end, we're going to let you know how to get into that group. Okay, so without further ado, and yeah, the first question that people have been asking is, how long is this going to last? Okay, how long is the new round of PPP is going to last? The easiest answer, or the simple answer, is the program is scheduled to go up to March 31st. I'm talking about the PPP. It was scheduled to start today. It's scheduled to, the application, the SBA have actually reopened the application today, January 11, okay? And it's supposed to go all the way to March 31st. But, what's the problem? The problem is that the first round of PPP, if you can remember, this program actually, the very first one started back in March, okay? And the first one actually ran out of money only after 14 days. I think it says a lot, okay? Just to let you know that normally this program is supposed to go all the way to March 31st. The PPP, I'm not talking about the ERDL or ERDL Advanced Grant or whatever it is, but this PPP is supposed to go all the way to March 31st. But it could actually even stop once the money runs out. It could be after 1 week, after 2 weeks, after 1 month, who knows? This actually leads me to the next question that people are asking. So what is the chance to get this new round of PPP? This is the big question, right? Okay, people will be like, do I have to invest? Do I have to do this? Do I really have to apply? So what is the chance? First of all, do I have to apply? Yes. Everybody has to apply. Every business owner and self-employer has to apply. You have to apply no matter what. If you are found to be ineligible, okay, you're ineligible, right? But if you actually want to apply, so what is your chance to apply on this PPP? Okay, so you have, basically the simple answer is you have 100% chance. Okay, you have 100% chance if you know how to demonstrate the 25% decrease. That's a simple answer, and I've been saying it maybe on my last 2 or 3 or 5 live or webinar about the PPP and ERDL. So you have 100% chance, and you actually even know. So that means whether you apply by yourself or you seek help from a professional, you actually know how much you should receive. Okay, not only you have 100% chance that you will receive it, but you also know how much you will receive. That is the beauty of the thing. That means you know whether you are doing by yourself or somebody is helping you. The person should actually tell you before you even submit the application. The person should tell you how much you will receive. Simple put, how much you are eligible for. Okay, so that's the best thing on it. So yes, the answer is you have 100% chances to get this PPP if you know how to demonstrate the 20% decrease. And how to demonstrate that is about your financial statement, because you have to compare your financial statement, your data from 2020 with the data from 2019. As simple as that. And once we do that, before you submit the application, we know how much you should receive. Okay, so yes, that was the second question that I've been receiving. Like, do you even think I'm gonna receive something? What is the chance that I can receive something? So I'm addressing it now. After this, if you still have more questions, drop the question below. I will be my pleasure to come up and answer for everyone, because when you answer the question, you're not the only one to have the question. Many other followers or business owner have the same question. So the next one is, how ready are you to apply? So that's my question to you now. Since I'm telling you, you have 100% chance to receive the money, and you are so confident to know how much you will be eligible for. Now I'm asking you, how ready are you to apply and get those money for you? Okay, you are not ready if you don't know what you need to get ready. That's the simple answer. Basically, you are not ready if you don't know what you need to get ready. And I just said that earlier. You need to know how to demonstrate. Once you know how to demonstrate the 25% decrease, especially if you are a new applicant, I mean, if you are repeating, that means you receive the money already. So yeah, you are not ready if you don't know. And you are already late if you are not ready now. Yes, you are already late. Why? Because I said it at the beginning. It's reopening today, January 11. The program, the SBA officially reopened the program today. So the application are supposed to be receiving today. So if you have not done yet, that means if you are not ready, it means you are already late. That's what you need to know. Okay, don't be surprised that at the time I have people who got, we finished the application the same day, the last day, at the end they couldn't process it because it was late. Okay, so if you're not ready, you are already late. That means you need to know what to do. Okay, the next one is, what documentation are you going to use to apply? That's the question that people are asking. So what do you want me to send you? That's what people are saying. You have a business. What you want to send me, if I'm gonna be the one to do it, is to just upload your financial statement, send them to me. Just simple. Just download them, send them to me, or call your accountant, tell him, okay, can you just print out my financial statement, because the person helping me is going to need to compare all the quarters, all my my financial activity, for him to see if I'm available, if I'm eligible, because if I'm qualified, if I can demonstrate the 25% decrease. The document that you need is your financial statement, of course, and what? The payroll report. I saw people on the first one say, oh, I applied, didn't receive nothing. I said, why? Because now they're asking me to provide W3, and I provide this and provide that. I said, yes, because you didn't even know what you need to provide when you were applying. So when you are applying, don't just put information there if you are doing by yourself, or even somebody is helping you. The person should not be just throwing numbers in there because you need to get the money. You need to think about what will be asked once you throw those information in the system. Okay, so the main important thing that you need is your financial statement, the profit and loss statement. That's the first thing. That is where we can see how much profit, how much loss, how much income you are making. And it's easy to see, to compare, to see that you have been incurring losses, and the loss will be attributed to the COVID-19. Now the payroll report will show how much employees, because remember, I said last time that the amount you receive is function of the number of employees you have, or another way to put it is based on the average monthly salary. Okay, the average monthly salary that you pay to your employees. That means if you do the average of what you pay to your employees, you multiply it by 12, and then you divide it. You add everything for the whole year, and you divide by 12. You will get the monthly average payroll cost. That's what you're going to get. That means the more employees you have, the higher will be your monthly average payroll cost. We explained how to get it on the last video. So yes, so you're not going to say, okay, I have 5 employees, I have 6 employees. How much do you pay them? You just throw a number in there, because when they ask you for W3, you will not be able to provide it. Then you will be screwed. Even though you were supposed to receive something at least for your self-employment activity, because you are considered as an employee. So if you don't do that, then you are screwed. You won't even get nothing. Okay, that's the reason why you need to know the document you need before you even seek for help on this. Okay. So the next question I'm receiving is what? Is the PPP a loan or a grant? Okay, that's the question. Even though I've been going on live every day about the PPP, ELDL loan, advanced grant and stuff, people will be asking, you know, is that the one that is the loan or is this a grant? Even today I received the same question. Yes, it's simple. That is the money that is given to you as a loan. 1% interest for 5 years. Okay, 60 months. That's basically what they're giving you. They're giving it to you as a loan. But the good part is that it's the only loan that doesn't allow your credit score to be checked. That's the difference between the other loan, which is the EIDL. They will run your credit score, but they will even disqualify you based on your credit score. On this program, you don't have to get your credit score even checked. Okay, but it's a loan. That's the beauty of it. So you actually have nothing to lose. So yes, it's a loan. It's a 1% loan. Even if it was supposed to be a loan forever, I don't know why somebody is going to fund a loan at 1%. Okay, so it's a 1% loan for 5 years, 60 months, for 60 months. But the beauty of this is that they tell you what you should do to actually make that loan forgivable. That means they tell you what to do to actually transform it into a free money. So to me, I see it as a grant. Okay, I see it as a free money basically, because if somebody gives me a car and tell me how to drive safely on the road, and then the car becomes mine, I don't know why I'm not going to think that it's a gift. To me, it's a gift because it's actually normal to drive safely on the road, right? That's exactly what is happening here. They give you the money, they say use it to pay yourself, to pay your employee, to pay for utility. And they even extended where you can actually use the money. Now you pay for utility, pay for internet. People are actually moving from the store to be online. Okay, pay for those, you know, the cost of the new software, cost of internet, cost of new application, cost of this marketing. They are expanding. Basically, you can use the money with whatever you want to do in your business. So why should I even thinking twice before going for it? Okay, so yes, the last question, or not the last question, one of the questions that is being coming more often is, can I apply by myself? Okay, you see that I'm explaining everything to you right now. As I'm explaining to you, what does that mean? It means that you can actually do it by yourself, but I'm just explaining to you what you need to pay attention on, because nobody, I mean, even though any accounting business wants to help you, they are not going to be able to help everybody. That's the reason why, even though we are going to be helping people, we are not going to be able to help everyone. Okay, especially if you're going to come late, or you're not going to be prompt on sending information or making the payment. If you're supposed to make a payment for any service that we provide, of course you're gonna find yourself that you're late, or maybe that we're not able to help you. Okay, so that's the reason why I say yes, you can do it by yourself, but it's not advisable. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's not advisable to do it by yourself. Why? Because you will only regret once you have submitted your application and you start talking to an expert. Okay, maybe for follow-up or whatever it is, and then he will tell you, oh, this is what you did, now you screw. Oh, this is what you did. Oh, you should have not done this. Okay, you can do it by yourself. You can consult with someone, okay, who will tell you exactly what you are going to do, what you're going to do, what you will provide as information when they request for those information. Yes, then go there and then you will be able to do it by yourself. But if you just look at it, oh, this is the simple thing, I can do it. Of course, I tell you, on the first one I have somebody who was eligible for $120,000, but he received $14,000. Why? Because his wife didn't know how to do it. I mean, it looks simple, and they put any information that they think was the right information to put. Now they got screwed. Okay, So yes, you can do by yourself, but it's advisable to consult with someone that will actually guide you, just the way we hire people and we guide them to do it for customer. Yes, you can seek for help to do it by yourself. But if you just see it's simple, I mean, you're gambling, right? Go and do by yourself. It could be good, but you could also screw yourself. Okay, so that was a question. The answer to that question, I'm explaining everything, but it will be advisable to you, if you want to go through it, to call to seek for a new guidance. Or maybe you are on the seat, whatever you are going through, you have somebody, even an SBA agent. Call them. They have, hotline where they can help people. Call them, say, hey, I'm on page 2, what can I do here? They will tell you. I'm here, what can I do? They will tell you. Yes, you can do that. Okay, but don't think that it's simple. It's just simple, because when they start sending you emails to request for documentation, that is the time you will be seeking for help. That will be late, because you have screwed yourself. Okay, so you have to know what you're looking for. They are telling you it's a grant. Okay, it doesn't matter whether you receive 5,000, 3,000, or 10,000. What do you have to lose? What are you able to forgive to receive a 5,000 free money? Okay, what are you able to forgive to receive a $5,000 free money? So you're going to go by yourself, and then you get screwed, then you start calling, or now seeking for help when you start doing something wrong. Yes, seek for help before, to know all the way. At that time, when you succeed, now you can even start helping other people, right? Yes, that is the answer to that question. Can I apply by myself? Because I say a lot of people, oh, it's a simple thing. Can I apply by myself? I think I can do it by myself. Yes, you go do it. But you need to know what to do, okay? Okay, now, who can I seek for help? That's the question that's derived from the precedent question. Who can I seek for help? Another simple question, okay? The other simple answer is that you are initially your tax professional or your accountant, if you have a business or you have a relationship with, even your tax professional. I say your tax, everybody has tax professional, whether you are a business or a self-employer. 1 employee, no employees, or 10 or 300 employees, you have an accountant. Your accountant or your tax professional should have been the first person to inform you, okay? It should have been the first person to inform you and assist you about this program and any other similar financial relief at the federal and state level. This is the first answer I have to this question. Who can I seek help for? Who can I seek for help? Okay, yes, your accountant or your tax professional should have been the first person to tell you about this, because this is actually how he can help you. Okay, if he's there to pay attention to your numbers, and he cannot call you or maybe send you any type of communication to let you know that, oh, there is something available like this, there's a question that you have to start asking yourself about that accountant or that tax professional. Because why? Because this is the person that can actually be the first one to help you. Okay, now if that person cannot do it, any CPA or tax professional that have been closely following the CARES Act and any other federal law related to the PPP or EIDL can assist you, can assist you, to get the maximum amount you're eligible for. Yes, any CPA out there, any tax professional who is actually following all of this since March and all the change and update and stuff, any person, any CPA who is following this can help you. Okay, that is what you need to know. Now, I just told the 2 main category of people who can help you, so you know where to find help. Okay, now, just in case you are in this group, the Facebook group that I create to help you guys. I didn't create that to actually be the person to assist you, but to provide you with information that can help you. You have your accountant. The information I gave you can actually take those information to your accountant or to your tax professional to implement it to help you. Okay, but in case you have no one to assist you, okay, you have no one to assist you in getting your fair share of this PPP program. Okay, I give you the chance to book an appointment on the link below, okay, with me or one of the CPA or my team, to help you to get the fair share you have, to help you to get the money you deserve. That is basically what this is. The last answer to that question. That was actually the last question that I have to share the answer with you. So basically, if you have no one, yes, it will be my pleasure to assist you, or one of my team members will be more than happy to assist you if you book the appointment. And we will not be working on the walk-in basis. It's always by appointment, because as we're talking, people book the appointment 2, 5, 3 days in advance. So we drop the link here, you book the appointment. If you need, if you don't know, if you have the help, go ahead, go use the help you have, and all the information here, use them with the help you're going to receive, and good luck with that, okay? But if you don't have no one to help you, yeah, we'll be more than able to assist you on that. If you think this information are valuable information to you, and you also think that you want to help somebody else, so please share this piece of communication with anyone, any business owner out there, any Uber driver, any contractor out there, to help him receive this money, because we're not sure how long this money is going to last before they tell you, oh, it's over, you know, it's over. So yes, and the last thing that we're going to do is that I'm doing this normally for my group, because we have the Facebook group specifically to help business owner and self-employed people achieving these federal grants and loan. Okay, if you are interested and you need more even further help on all of this federal program and any other type of loan out there, because we are actually implementing any type of loan that you want to our business, we will drop a link there for you to, you know, click and try to submit your application, send your request. According to your request and the answer, the type of your business, we will decide whether we should accept you in the group or no, okay, in the Facebook group or no. It's a private group where we actually share those communication. Okay, until then, this was so for us, and I will always be here for you guys.